So, I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize. But to live doesn't mean that I live. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I am an Isaiah, it's an empire. And it's a cold shot, I am on fire. I can make it all the water, about the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I'm slaying the light with the sling. In this very moment I bring. I mean everything. The hour side with the ring. The hour side with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. So I could do it all along. Be young money raised me. Girls out face me. Son of the makeup. Please that crazy. Young and cool. Hollywood could have changed me. Try to my hater side, that's even face me. Amy and Kanye was syndicated. Definitely that what we done is normally syndicated. I don't know. This night this reminds me of everything that deprived me of. Yeah, put the drink up. This is a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything we can think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of. Wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. Thank you. Bye.